Copyright is a type of intellectual property right that protects works of authorship such as books, music, painting, films, computer programs, databases, technical drawings, etc. Copyright is inherent in nature and comes into existence without formal registration. Whether copyright registration is needed or not is always a difficult question. In this video, we will see if copyright registration is required or not. I am Bindu Sharma from Origin IP Solutions, a leading IP and legal service providing company based in Bangalore. Well, as you know, that a copyright is a form of intellectual property which protects original works of authorship and gives its owner the exclusive right to make copies of a creative work, usually for a specific period of time. Copyright is inherent and statutory right, which means that copyright comes into being automatically after the work is completed without any formal registration. This makes copyright very different from other forms of IP, such as patents, where the rights are recognized only after formal registration is completed. Depending upon the kind of work, the work of authorship under copyright law may fall into specific classes. The main classes under which the work of authorship may fall are: the first class is literary class, which includes books, periodicals, computer programs, tables, compilations, and databases. Dramatic work includes any piece for recitation, choreographic work, scenic arrangement, acting, form of which is fixed in writing or otherwise, but it does not include a cinematographic film. Musical work includes songs and graphical notation of the same. Artistic work is a very broad class and it includes photographs, paintings, diagram, map, chart, or plans. Cinematographic work and sound recording includes movies, documentaries, and soundtrack in them. Copyright is a bundle of rights including right of reproduction, communication to the public, adaptation, translation of the work. There could be slight variations in the composition of the rights depending upon the work. The history of copyright law starts with early privileges and monopolies granted to printers of books. Initially, copyright law only applied to the copying of books, but over the period of time, other uses such as translations and derivative works were made subject to copyright, and copyright now covers a wide range of works including maps, performances, paintings, photographs, sound recordings, motion pictures, and computer programs. It is interesting to note that copyright law does not protect the idea but only expression of the idea. For example, there are hundreds of movies based on the love stories. Here, the idea is love story, which is not protected by copyright law. Expression of idea, when expressed by different directors in different ways, is considered as different expressions, and each expression gets protection under copyright law. Each expression and each movie will have individual copyrights. Additionally, the work shall have substantial amount of skill, judgment, labor, and the work shall be fixed in a tangible form. For example, if it is a song or drama, it should be recorded. If it is a story, it should be written. If it is a computer program, the code should be written. The most frequently asked question about copyright is whether it is necessary to register copyright or not. The answer is no, because copyright is statutory as well as inherent right and comes into being automatically after completion of the work. The legal copyright notice can be put even without registration of copyright, but registration of copyright with copyright registry is important under certain circumstances. Here is the format to incorporate copyright notice on the work, whether it's an article, video, musical work, or a software. The notice starts with C in a circle, followed by year of creation, name of the owner, and all rights reserved. This notice is an indication that the work is copyright of the author. Even though registration of copyright is not mandatory, the certification of copyright registration is an authentic proof of valid title and ownership that can be produced in the court as a prima facie evidence of ownership in case of any dispute or litigation. In some jurisdictions, copyright registration is a prerequisite for bringing a copyright infringement lawsuit. Therefore, when a work is to be used commercially, it is advisable to get copyright registration done. However, it is highly recommended to put copyright notice on the work even if the work is not registered. Copyright registration is even more important in case of computer software program because the copied work looks identical to the original work and it is extremely difficult to differentiate between the two. Another advantage of copyright registration is that copyright registration establishes a public record of the copyright claim and it becomes a very important document in case of any dispute or litigation. Further, registration certificate of copyright is very important to have if it becomes necessary for the copyright owner to obtain an injunction against a copyright infringer, such as the immediate cessation of the distribution of the infringer's work. The presumption of validity will only apply if the work has been registered. If copyright for a work has to be registered, the applicant shall file a formal application along with copy of the work to be registered in the Copyright Office in his or her own country. After application is filed, the Copyright Office examines the application and the work. Thereafter, certificate of registration is issued. The Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works, usually known as Berne Convention, is an international agreement governing copyright which was first accepted in Bern, Switzerland in the year 1886. According to provisions of Berne Convention, if copyright is registered in any member state of Berne Convention, it is valid in all other member states of Berne Convention. So, unlike patents, there is no complex procedure to file copyright application in foreign countries. Therefore, for the product that are in commercial use, it makes lots of sense for the companies to register copyright. Copyright in India shall be registered by filing application at Copyright Registry, New Delhi. Therefore, even though copyright registration is not mandatory, it is good idea to get it done, especially when the work has to be used commercially. Compared to any other form of IP, copyright registration is very affordable and it's very easy to get protection in any foreign countries. Copyright registration certificate is a proof of ownership and valid title. This certificate may be useful to be produced as evidence in case of any litigation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any queries related to our services, you can contact us at the email ID and phone number provided in this slide. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.